Britain called him the most dangerous man in Africa. They locked him away for 10 years. He came out stronger. His name was Joshua Nkomo, father of Zimbabwe. In the next 3 minutes, his impossible story. He built an entire liberation movement from nothing. Then his own government hunted him. How does a freedom fighter become a refugee in his own land? Born 1917, Matabeleland, Rhodesia, Indabele blood, cattle country, a land already stolen by colonial hands. He earned a degree in South Africa, came home a changed man. He saw the system clearly now, and he refused to accept it. 1961, he founded ZAPU, Zimbabwe African People's Union. Tens of thousands answered the call. Britain called it a terrorist organization. The Rhodesian government struck fast. Nkomo arrested, restricted, then imprisoned for 10 years without trial. Even from prison, ZAPU fighters trained in Zambia. Guerrilla warfare, Soviet weapons, Africa's liberation networks activated. 1979, London, Lancaster House negotiations. Nkomo sat at the table, equal partner in Zimbabwe's birth. Then the votes were counted. Mugabe's ZANU swept the election. Nkomo, the man who built the movement, given a minor cabinet post, the father of the nation, pushed aside. 1983, Mugabe deployed the 5th Brigade into Matabeleland. Thousands of Nkomo's people massacred. The world looked away. Nkomo fled for his life, disguised, crossing into Botswana in the night. The father of Zimbabwe, a fugitive, but Nkomo did not break. 1987. He signed the Unity Accord, returned to Zimbabwe, traded revenge for peace. He became Zimbabwe's vice president, Umdalawethu, our old man, they called him, a title earned in fire, prison, and exile. Joshua Nkomo died in 1999, but his legacy never did. Airports, stadiums, streets, Zimbabwe carries his name. Because you cannot erase a foundation, Africa's heroes deserve to be remembered. If this story moved you, subscribe, because Legends of Africa is just getting started. Untold stories, unmatched pride.